So hello ma'am, good evening. So today I'm going to discuss my activity, which is the lesson 28 RFID system. So as you can see here, I have the code here as initialize the static version for this two ma'am, which is the RFID, and for this two will be the LCD, and then the server motor. Here for this is the what you can display for the LCD ma'am. Here I assigned this pin as for the RFIDs. Here for the what do we call this for this though it will uh, create an object for the server motor. Here for the that will initialize that stores data. So here we have the setup, initialize this output, and then start the communication between the computer and the Arduino. Initialize the LCD for the RFID, and then for this it will print for the on the LCD, on the top of the LCD. If it is the top color card, for this in the bottom, this for the on the bottom, and then here we have the loop. For the loop ma'am, this one it will uh, uh, try to see if it detects a card. Then for this one it will read the card ma'am. Yeah, the sent is 0. So for the for this one ma'am, it will then so if the card is been read or scanned, it will then save the card ID. So here, so this one for the if the card has been scanned, and then it will output that the card has been registered. So if the card has been registered, the flag will become 1, and then it will print the or try ask that tap the card to access. And then for this part ma'am, is that so if the so for this one ma'am, if uh, this it will try to tap or scan the card again, and then for this part it will then read that if the card is same or identical, it will then print this that the card access allowed. So if the card is not matched, it will then print access denied. Then it will then clear, and then ask the card to access. So I will now show you my output ma'am. So hello ma'am, this is my output. Scanning the card. The card has been registered. So I'm going to scan it again. So I gain access allowed. So we have now the Arduino Uno, the server motor, and the breadboard. Here the black wire is connected to the ground that provides with a negative charge. White wire is connected to the 5 volts that provides with a positive charge. So that's it for my code. Thank you for watching, and have a good night.